this is Catherine from BRIG USA. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Bimini on the Eagle 6.7. Step 1. Remove the cover. Step 2. Make sure the back straps are securely fastened and attached to the rear cleat. Step 3. Unfold the Bimini top toward the bow. Step 4. Taking the front strap, clip in the carabiner to the D-ring located on the side of the tube. Repeat this on the other side of the rib. Step 5. Extend both sides until the top canvas is taut. Secure by rotating the fastener on each side. Step 6. Ensure the front and back straps are tight and you're ready to enjoy your day on the water in comfort of the shade. To disassemble, simply repeat the steps in reverse order, leaving the top resting behind the rear seat. Thanks for watching.